best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my home. My name is Ashley Marie and I'm clearly bringing you a laundry closet transformation video today. I'm giving it a makeover, giving it a facelift. We have just moved into this property, so it is moving vlog number 2 for you. The first thing I'm doing and the first tip I have for you is just changing out the light bulb. I'm changing it from a warm white to a cool white, and then of course changing this filter. So there isn't actually a filter in there at the moment. You can purchase them from Bunnings. I'll have to pick one up, but at the moment it just needs a really good clean. As per usual, we are pulling everything out of the laundry and we're going to give everything a really good clean. And this is why, because we have only been in this property not even 2 weeks, and already underneath the washing machine is just bugs and fluff and lint. My washing machine hoses need a good scrub. That line has got to go. My OCD is being set off by all of the little sticky tabs from all the hooks that have been left on the wall, or the sticky residue. So first things first, we're going to clean that filter. I'm really just going to work from the top to the bottom here. I'm just grabbing my handy dandy butter knife to get the very last of the sticky residue off. I really should have just used essential oils because this took way too long with just multi-purpose spray. But something I found really surprising that worked really well on my washing machine hoses to get all the dirt off was just a scourer and the Sard stain remover spray that I actually use on my girls' clothes to get all like their pasta stains and God knows what out. I'm going to remove these hooks off the wall because I really want to paint. I have color matched the white paint that you can see below. So I'm going to give all the walls a fresh coat of paint, make sure that they're all fresh and ready to go. There's no marks on them or anything like that. I was planning on only doing this part of the wall, but it all looks so good. I did all of the walls. I do hope the owner is happy with that. If not, worst comes to worst, I can always put his, pink line back in if need be. But if you're wondering what I mean by color matching, if you take any kind of like painted surface into Bunnings, so that be like a piece of paper, cardboard, you could take a door in, and they will actually color match the color that's on that surface to a paint for you, and you can purchase a sample pot, and that way it's a lot easier. You don't have to commit to a full paint if it's not even going to be the right color for you.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything.
Another thing I picked up from Bunnings is these peel and stick vinyl tiles, which are for the floor. So I'm going to do all in here. If you guys saw my last video, I promised I would show you how exactly they work, and it is pretty simple, guys. You literally peel the back off and you stick it down. I'm going to show you here how I did it and how I worked with like fidgety corners. I made sure that I have my box cutter with me, and yeah, you're just going to have to see how it goes.
You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you knock me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you
see what I did? I cut a slit into like the corner of the tile. That way it formed more of a triangle, so it was easier for me to place down and cut around as needed. I will admit these tiles are fairly forgiving. If you do slice in the wrong spot, you can't really tell so long as you don't remove that part of the tile. Like, you can't tell there's a cut in it necessarily. I really love these, and if you want to know how much they were per tile, $2. That works out, so the entire floor cost me less than $30 to do, and it looks so good. So what I'm just going to do now is I'm just going to take a lot of the items that I have out of their original packaging and put them in some glass bottles. I just think it looks a lot nicer, especially because these products are going to be front and center, and I'm also going to use my label maker.
Know you better. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
If you guys remember these tubs from my old house, I used them in my bathroom, but they're not going to fit in the bathroom in this house. So I'm repurposing them, but they're only $5 from Kmart per tub for this particular size anyway. So what I've done is I've done a general tub, I've done a floors tub, I've done a bathroom tub, and extras. I think that's a pretty stock standard for me. I'm pretty happy with that. I don't think I'll need an extra tub, but I do have that cupboard just behind my, like, to the side of my head there, for all my backup storage, and underneath the trough of the laundry sink as well. So it's really exciting how much space I actually have in this area.
But this time
I'll just give you guys a quick reminder of what it looked like before, and this is the after.
nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to.
You guys will have to let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and if you have questions to where anything is from, please let me know and leave a comment. I'll be sure to reply. But that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!